Creating a reel on Facebook can be a great way to quickly and easily share your story, create content, and engage with your followers. Reels are short, 15-second videos that can be used to show off your creativity, get people interested in your content, and even help you reach an audience you wouldn't otherwise be able to reach. Here are some tips for creating a great reel for Facebook. Know your audience. Before creating a reel, it's important to understand who your audience is and what kind of content they're looking for on Facebook. Create a story. Reels should be used to tell a story and engage your audience, rather than simply post random clips or pictures. Think of a story you want to tell and then create the reel around that. Tell your story with music. Music is a great way to add emotion and interest to your reel. Choose a song that matches the story you're trying to tell and use it to add mood and emotion to your reel. Use visuals. Visuals, such as images and graphics, can help draw your audience in and make your reel more interesting. Try to find visuals that match the mood and story you're trying to tell. Keep it short and sweet. As mentioned, reels are only 15 seconds long, so try to keep your reel short and sweet. Use the 15 seconds to tell your story and engage your audience. Creating a reel on Facebook can be a great way to engage with your audience and reach new people. Use these tips to create a great reel that will help you share your story, engage with your followers, and reach a larger audience.